here. It's going to be another nice day today. Everybody's getting all packed up. We're getting ready to leave. Just have to load the sails on yet, and we actually probably put the sails up on our way out. Yep, take that one off. All of them? Yeah, take them all off. Again, it's another 70s thing.
Yep.
What are we gonna do with you?
I don't know. Throw me overboard.
That's could be done. Gotta wait till we're out of sight of the Coast Guard.
I know you have that on there. Are you gonna put that on your YouTube?
Yes. We're YouTubing. This is Gail's last YouTube. She's gonna swim to Wave Pointe.
Is that a challenge?
I think we have enough food down here to last us for a while. We're only going on a 5-hour trip. We got enough food for like 2 weeks. Back on the water. Finally. Even though we are motoring, it's great to be back. What a wonderful, joyous feeling to finally cast off the lines and begin a new season, a new journey, and a new adventure. The call that beckons from some deep hidden place. It's great to be back. Thanks for sharing the journey with us today. We look forward to having you on board, not only today, but for the rest of the season. Stay tuned for more adventures.
I like that better than dining. Like when it first came out, I remember drinking. I don't think I've ever tried it. What's the difference? Put some shorts on. It's toasty. Sounds like a sick little. Where are you going?
Towards the green buoy.
What is that, a giant chimney over there?
Used to be
You ever see your giraffe? I just saw the giraffe statue. That one's just like line floor. I have one right here. This one's my first one. And then the giraffe statue. Yeah. I like it. Yeah, I don't it's not really. The one on my side is the giraffe that's hurt.
Based on the weather pattern over the last 6 weeks, we certainly got lucky today. What a beautiful day.
Are you making drinks already?
Margarita time.
Alright, I'll take one.
But yeah, no, this is just from sitting here. I need to like turn like this now.
Well, that was stupid because I thought I didn't have enough room in my bag. And he's like, what's a 5-letter word for college graduation? Baloney or something. He's going on that. There's 2 characters that one of these is psychology. We got 4 girls, and her profession is she's a mountain girl. And they take people on mountain climbing. And she and her husband. But he's gone for 6 months, and she's home, and she's going kind of thing. So the husband is really. I could have been more. Are you checking how they do it now?
This crew always eats well.
This is really our salami that Bill loves. I love it. Old World, Wisconsin. Oh.
Almost there. We're about 5 miles out again. Should be there in probably about 45 minutes or so. I've got one more bend to make here to get around to Little Sturgeon Bay. Surprisingly, for our first time Another successful and uneventful run from Green Bay up to Wave Pointe Marina. A total distance of just shy of 30 nautical miles. Now we are home for the summer. Well, thanks for watching this video. As you saw, we got the boat up to Wave Pointe this afternoon. Uneventful trip, which is always good. No issues. The engine ran fine. All the electronics worked. There were no leaks in the boat. And we got it up here and docked, as you saw. We would have liked to have sailed, but because of all the issues at getting the boat and the mast actually on at the boatyard, we had to wait until Saturday morning, before we brought the boat up here to put the mainsail on. We were going to put the jib on and then put the battens in the mainsail on our way up here. Unfortunately, contrary to the weather report, as you saw in some of the shots, the wind really picked up. It picked up a little bit towards the north end of the channel into Green Bay, died a little bit, and then really picked up again late in the morning and then early in the afternoon. We had winds 15 plus that were pretty steady at that point, so we didn't put the jib up because we were going the same direction as the wind. It would have made it difficult. We would have had to turn around and head back towards Green Bay in order to do that. Decided not to and just to ride it out. When we left the harbor and the Fox River, we set the RPMs at about 2700, which is where I like to run when we're cruising. We started out at about 6 knots coming up the channel in Green Bay. Later in the afternoon and later in the morning when the winds picked up, it was pushing us at almost 8 knots. Didn't increase the speed at all, and we were just flying up here. We made it up here literally in record time. Normally it's about a 5.5 hour journey, even motoring. We made it up here in a little more than 4 hours yesterday afternoon. So the boat is up here. It's docked and secure for the summer. And I'm up here today on Sunday the 26th just to do some cleanup and get things straightened out. We've got a storm coming in. That's why we're not out on the boat. It's mid-afternoon. It rained a little bit this morning, and we've got some stronger winds starting to pick up now. It's up to almost 17 knots right now on our wind gauge. So no sailing today, but good day to get cleaned up. Got the power all set up. Got everything secure and set up at the dock. So when we come up next weekend, we should be ready to go. I would have liked to put the battens in the main this morning. That's what I planned to do, but just too windy to do that. Same thing with the jib. Or the Genoa, a little too windy to try to put that up today as well. There's no hurry. We'll get it up next week. It's supposed to be nice next week, so we'll get it up sometime next week and put it on and get all set to go sailing, and we'll be out on the water sailing here in the next few days. So thanks again for watching. Remember, please give us a like if you would. That all helps our channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel grow. So we would appreciate any of the likes. Please also feel free to comment. We try to get back to and respond to the comments as soon as we can. And also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks again, and welcome back to the start of the 2024 sailing season. We look forward to having you on board. See you later. I'll actually see you back out on the water.